So what can 15,000 Kenya shillings give you in terms of rent here in Nairobi? So 15,000 Kenya shillings in conversion to US dollars, that's 115 US dollars. So guys, I want to really appreciate the person who has given me an opportunity to shoot or showcase their house to the world. So this is Nairobi, Kenya, and this is a one-bedroom house with one toilet, a kitchen, a separate kitchen, and one bedroom and a living space. So this house is renting at 115 US dollars or 15,000 Kenya shillings. You guys, are you ready to see what 115 US dollars or 15,000 Kenya shillings can give you in terms of rent here in Nairobi? So yeah, my favorite part of this house, honestly, I can't choose a favorite part because almost all the rooms are well planned, and they all look like they were set out. Whoever did the planning of the house really did a good job. So I am standing at the balcony where I am enjoying the views to the other side. And I feel like a balcony is such an essential part of a house, and the planning of this house did a good job in placing this balcony here, where the owner of this house can come and chill and just look over the other side. Also, the security of this area is really good, and accessibility. You can see where the cars are passing. So this is how accessible from the main road this house is when you're looking for a house. One of the things that you look at is accessibility. Another thing you look is security, and you also look at water, like what does the house come with in terms of amenities. Does it have water? Is there electricity? Is there an issue with electricity, power outages, and the space as well? And also the price is really, really important. So in terms of accessibility, it's a tick. So in terms of the price, it's a tick. For 15,000 Kenya shillings, I feel like for one bedroom, it's a good deal. And we look at the space. We want to go in so that we can judge and see if the space is worth it. So you can drop a comment and let me know if this house is worth the value of the money that it's being rented for. So this is the balcony. And guys, I have a cold. If you feel my voice is a little bit hoarse, I am recovering from a very serious cold that I have had in the past like 3 days. So this is the balcony area with a small section here for the dustbin. So you can see a towel here for cleaning, I hope. And you can see some cleaning tools. And I love the fact that there's a tap area here where she can do her laundry. So she can also, this balcony can also serve as a laundry area. And it has a floor trap to drain the water. So this is really a good thing. And she explained that the level of this balcony is good, that when there's rain or there's water, it drains to the lowest part of the balcony, which is this area here, and the water goes to the drainage. So once you come from the balcony, so we've started from the balcony, there's a small mat here leading to the kitchen. So this is the kitchen. So not very big, but I feel like for 15,000 Kenya shillings and being a separate kitchen, I honestly love it. So it has a counter and some storage area down here, and there's a space for the cooker on this side, and also there's a space for the rack, and there's a sink here. There's water. Let's actually see if there's water. So yes, there is water, so we tick. That is one of the things that you look at when you go or you are looking for a house to rent. So there's water, and she explains that the water is 24/7, unless when there's no lights. That's when there's a slight shortage of water because it has to be pumped from the rooftop where there are tanks. But she explains that rarely do such cases happen. So having water, and actually it's not borehole water. There is the water is not salty, so that's a tick for me. So this is the kitchen, and enough space even for the place where she has to stand when she's cooking. I feel like it's worth it. So let's check what is beyond the kitchen. So on this side here we have a laundry area, or there's a space here where she can put her laundry, and if she had a washing machine she could also probably put it on this side. So guys, do you want to see the bathroom first, or we go to the bedroom? So which one do you think you can check first? So probably let's start from the bedroom, then we can come to the bathroom. So this corridor here, or let me call it this space here leading to the balcony area, she has put a mirror, a dressing mirror. So you can also see me behind the mirror. So she has put a mirror here, the dressing mirror, which I feel it magnifies this space, because once you come from the main door, I'll show you where the main door is. There's a reflection. So there's that reflection here, which serves as the dressing. There's this mirror which serves as the dressing mirror, and also like it makes the room feel a little bit bigger. So let's check the bedroom. So there's this door here leading to the bedroom, which I feel it's really good for privacy. So let's check how the bedroom is looking. So welcome to the bedroom. I love when you come into the bedroom, the first thing you see is this mat here, a very beautiful side bed mat, and a bed on this side here. So this is how the bedroom space looks. So I love how it has been organized. It's not very big and also not very small for 15,000 Kenya shillings. So this is the bed area. So let's check where the sockets, if there are sockets, and the aeration to the bedroom, the lighting, and stuff like that, so that we can judge if 15,000 Kenya shillings is really worth this house. So we have a socket, two sockets here, which is a tick for me. And also we have this this one. This is a switch. There's also another switch here. So I feel like this switch has been placed here depending on where she would like to organize, how she would like to organize the bed. But I love how the planners took time to have an extra switch here for the bed area. And then I love how the windows are bringing in enough light even during the day. She doesn't have like to have the lights on. So this is the window leading to the other side of the balcony where we were standing. So let's check the wardrobes. So this is the space that I was standing. So this is the wardrobe area, and we can open it so that we can see the allocation, the space allocation of the wardrobes. So I feel like it's also enough for the money, for 15,000 Kenya shillings. That space is totally fine. So depending on what level of family you are, probably for someone who is starting out life, this is enough. Even a family. So on this side here she has her shoes, and here she has her clothes and cosmetics. So I feel like for the bedroom it's a tick for me. Number one, because of the light. I love lighted rooms. Number two, the organization of the space is just fine. And also this wardrobe here, it's just fine, you know. And also the privacy, the planning of, you know, the rooms is good. So before we go to the living room, let's check the bathroom. So I also love how she has accessorized her room with mats around the house, even that one. So let's check the bathroom. So it has a hot shower. So yeah, this is the bathroom. So I love the color of the tiles and also the texture, because the bathroom needs rough tiles. So the bathroom looks this way, and I feel like it's also well planned, and the colors are good. It has shelves where she can put, she can put her things, and a sink area, a toilet, and the shower area, that side. So I honestly love the planning of the bathroom area. So we will come back again, guys, so that we can see the whole house one more time. So from the bathroom, so I feel like also the location of the bathroom on this side makes it private for the living room. So let's check the living room. So from the bedroom, this is the bedroom, way to the bathroom and the kitchen, and this is the living area. So on this side she has placed a bottle of water, a dispensing bottle. Let's check in further. So this is how the living spaces is looking. So although the living space looks a bit smaller, I feel like the planning and the organization is really good. So this is the living area. So let's start from probably the main door. So I was to show you where the main door is. So this is the main door. So once she comes from, the outside, this is her main door coming into the house. And I love how she has accessorized the house with mats. And then of course there's this curtain here, a blue curtain for privacy from the outside. So there's a door there, and then there's a window. So in terms of lighting and aeration, it's a tick for me for the living room. Let's check the organization of the TV area. The TV area is also good for me. And the sitting area is also, like, I feel like it's enough for that amount of money. So you can let me know in the comment section what you feel. Although the living room is slightly smaller, but for that money, it's totally worth it. So there's a mat here, and then there's a coffee table and 2 seats. So imagine 2 seats can fit. This is a 3-seater and a 2-seater. If they can fit, honestly, this house is worth it. So there's also a shelf she has here, which accessorizes the house. Where she has placed a couple of things for quick access. And there's this throw blanket for the cold, and there's this study area. Imagine if you have to fit all these things. So there's a study area here, sitting area, the living area, the TV area, and she can fit 5-seater couches in the house. I feel like that is enough. So let me know in the comment section. I honestly love this house. So let me comment. Yeah, this house is not going for rent, like it's not vacant. So I was just giving you a house tour, because I know some people will ask me, where is that house located? But it's not going for rent, it's already occupied. So this is my friend's house. She allowed me to show you what 15,000 Kenya shillings can give you in terms of rent. So let me go around again so that I can show you the whole house, how it's looking, so that you can see it one more time. So this is the living area. Let's check the bedroom one more time. A very simple and organized bedroom. And then the dressing mirror side with some cabinets or storage area on that side. And then there is the bathroom. So the bathroom has a hot shower. There is a toilet area and a tissue holder area and a towel holder, and so much more. There's a shelf there, and yeah, and also the laundry area, and back to the kitchen. So I honestly feel like this is worth it. This is honestly worth the money. And back to the balcony area. So let me know, guys, what you think about this house and the amount of money that it's being rented for. My name is Damaris, and today's house tour has been a one-bedroom tour to show you how affordable, how you can get an affordable house here in Nairobi. You don't really have to live in a very expensive house, especially considering how the economy is really becoming tough. In the recent times, everything is really going high in terms of costs, and rent is one of the areas that you need to watch out so that you don't live in a very expensive house. So today's house tour was to show you that you can look around and get yourself an affordable house. And I love the fact that from here she can watch the sunset from the comfort of her house. So thank you guys for watching, and let me know in the comment section what you think once again about this house. I honestly love it. My name is Damaris Properties. I bring you property related content. If you are looking for a house to buy, land to buy, a house to rent, or if you are selling or you are letting your house, you can also reach me in the number that is on the description box, and we can talk about business. So thank you guys. See you in the next one.